Attention, agents of Clade.
The Clade Crest!
Director Scratch has a new creature case for us.
The Mice Squad just sent an urgent new case.
Was that a pink kangaroo?
We're on it, Director. We're here to... Help! Agent Sam Snow.
And Kit Casey.
We're from Clade.
Let's scan for footprints.
Check it out. We've got our first suspect.
There's only one creature around here that fits all of these clues.
Hello? There they go.
Oh, right. I can fly!
Clade claws. Look.
Are those?
Naked mole rats!
Get ready to crack the creature cases. New episodes only on Netflix.